This is who I was telling you about.
Gossiping about me already?
Jasper, Kenzie is...
The new anchor at the TV station. I see why Jillian promoted you. Your aura is very trustworthy. It's an honor to meet Jillian's best friend. I hope we get the chance to become friends, too.
And I hope the same.
I apologize for being so late. My last session went unusually long.
Jasper volunteers at the Women's Crisis Center downtown. We should feature you as a local hero's profile.
I'm hardly a hero or a local. I've only lived in Denver for 3 years.
Please, it would mean so much.
Okay, but only if you conduct the interview.
If you insist.
Before we delve into your feelings with Missy, tell me more about your relationship with Rodney. He was very upset when Jillian insinuated you had feelings for me.
We're working it out.
Have you made love to Rodney since Jillian's birthday party? This won't work if you don't trust me. Answer the question.
No, we haven't.
How often does Rodney make love to you? You came to me, Kenzie. I can only help you if you cooperate.
I don't really keep count.
Is that because it's not that memorable? Do you have desires Rodney's not able to meet? Does Rodney even know what you like? Do you have a secret wish even you're too scared to admit? You can tell me, Kenzie. You're safe here. No one else will know.
This isn't therapy, Dr. Peters.
Kenzie, we've been over this. It's called sensory memory.
It's called assault.
Kenzie, let me explain.
Don't. I'm not Dina Lipton, or Jillian, or any of the other women you've managed to manipulate.
You misunderstood. Many of my patients have sexual problems with their significant others. I was merely trying to recreate.
You're trying to get off. I won't let you hurt anybody else. It's over.
You'll just go a bit numb. It's actually quite soothing.
You bastard. She didn't do anything to you.
And sadly, I've used this all up.
I tried to do everything you said.
It's okay. You did your best. You're not the first one who wasn't able to follow all the way through. Do you still want to know how your sister died? Or why not experience exactly what happened to Missy yourself?
Jillian, please, help me.
Jillian, let Kenzie go. I got her.
But...
Now, Jillian. There's a bottle of pills in my jacket. Fetch them, please. Jillian, put the pills in Kenzie's mouth.
I don't know if I can.
I told you this would be scary. But you're braver than you think. My name's John Erickson. I'm represented by MKM, and I'm located here in Los Angeles, California. I'm auditioning for the role of Jasper,